This is Diode Stage Series Hitch Mount Light, and in my opinion, it's the little light that could. And in today's video, we're gonna unbox it, install it, and review it. So this is everything that you get inside the box. You get the box, which I gotta say is absolutely beautiful. You get the cables, 100% plug and play, may I add, and then you get the light itself. And the last thing they put in the box, just subscribe to Aing. I approve this message. So the box itself says that it's a 5-minute install time. I'm going to install this as fast as humanly possible. I have never used a hitch or a hitch mount, so I'm going to go and look at this thing before I try to actually install it, and then we'll see how fast I can do it. Okay, so I have to disconnect this bad boy, plug this guy in, and then plug this guy back in where the other guy was. Okay, one last thing before I do the install. You see these little plastic tabs? You can actually cut them out so that you're able to put a lock through them. I'm gonna do that now. And the install will start in 3. Oh gosh, I'm not ready for this at all. The install will commence in 3, 2, 1, go. So the timer has started, and the technique I used to get down to the ground was not the most effective because I'm still feeling it in my lower back. I started first by unplugging the harness that was already there. Then I plugged it into the provided harness. It's actually very high quality. Shout out to you, Diode. Now I'm plugging it back into the OEM slot. This is where I messed up. Okay, I think I could have cut my time down by probably 30 seconds. I should have done what I'm about to do first, but I put the light in first and then I tried to magically connect it through the whole assembly. Don't do that. Just put the cable through, then connect it. Once you connect it, then you should put it back into the hitch assembly. I don't know what it's called, hitch or hitch assembly, one of the two. And you're a-okay. Don't know why I shoved it all the way back in there, but now we're good. Done. Very nice. I don't know how fast that was. I won't know until I'm editing this. Am I gonna be happy or disappointed? I don't know. Let me take you underneath the truck and let's take a look at this thing. Everything is actually pretty tidy without any zip ties. This right here is the whole Diode kit. It's very compact. Then you got this wire right here. This is probably what you're gonna need to zip tie, and I will zip tie it soon. But overall, extremely fast. I'm going to say I did it in a minute, I hope. Now in the beginning of the video I said that this is the little light that could. This light is very compact, but it does not mean that it's not capable. This thing packs a punch. This light has so many different features. Let me show you. Starting with number 1, when you unlock the vehicle, it gives you a little bit of a light show. But wait, there's more. You turn the vehicle on, you turn your lights on, and now you got an extra running light. But wait, there's more. You pop this bad boy into reverse and the light comes on, giving you extra visibility. But wait, okay, I'm sorry. There's more, but I won't say okay, I got it. It also functions as a 4th brake light. This thing does it all. Every time I get a product from Diode, I'm super excited because I know it's gonna be a great quality product. But every time I get a product from them, it always one-ups whatever I expect. This did not need to be this cool. Unfortunately, it is still light out, so I gotta change the time of day for us. Now, let's play. Now, I gotta say, I've had this on for all of an afternoon, and I can't stop looking at it. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this thing into reverse just so you guys can see how bright this thing actually is. I was very surprised. I didn't think it was gonna be this powerful. Let me put this in a different angle so I can give you a little bit more perspective on how bright this is. But wait, there's more. I mean, come on. Diode is just on another level. But this one right here steals the show. This thing is fully loaded with features. Wow.